Introducing the Sanford SF882VC Vacuum Cleaner, where power meets precision. With a massive 3-liter capacity and a 1400-watt powerful motor, cleaning has never been faster or easier. Experience 5-stage filtration with advanced multi-cyclonic technology, giving you cleaner air and spotless floors. Enjoy the convenience of a flexible hose, automatic cord rewinder, and a pedal on-off switch, all in a low-noise, high-efficiency design. From carpets to hard floors, the metal telescopic tube and plastic floor brush make cleaning effortless. Sanford, bringing power to your clean.